In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the unable to log into your Epic Games account at this time. The way that you can fix this is, first of all, I suggest you come to your internet, so search for View Network Connections, right click on your internet and disable, and then right click again and enable. See if this fixes the issue. Otherwise, come down here and search for VPN settings. Make sure you're not on a VPN, so make sure it's turned off if you have one. After that, check if it works. If that still doesn't work, the two other things we're gonna try is network reset, reset now, and this will restart your PC, and hopefully this works. Otherwise, the last option is to find your router inside of your house, and then you wanna unplug it for 1 to 2 minutes. Wait those 2 minutes and then plug it back in, and that's gonna reset and restart your entire internet, which will fix the issue. Now, if none of these work, what you should do is check if their servers are even up and running. So just Google Epic Games server and check if they're up. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.